open.
Why are you doing this one? You didn't give it to
Oh, yay! Oh,
Happy birthday.
Yay.
alam ko yan. Ata, picture kayo.
Okay, ata naman.
It's not like cake. Yeah.
Ah.
May gayahan ka pa ata. Iyan, hindi po
May gift pa si ate isa. Give mo yung paper bag na maliit. Ata, gift mo kay ate.
Oh, here. Use wise.
Yes,
Tignan mo na.
Be careful.
Open, open.
Share kayo.
Be careful.
Wow!
Ah.
Oh.
you. What?
What? Sa'yo yan ata.
Russell.
Open, open.
Oh, hula, hula. Ano yan?
What is it, bro?
Open.
Why does it feel so light?
Read mo muna.
To Mexican Louise, happy 15th. Love mommy and daddy and your sister. And Cass.
Sirain mo. Kailangan mo sisirain para magkakaroon ka ulit.
Careful. What is it?
Go,
Why are you guys
open.
smiling at me? I don't even know. Jelly. I don't know. Sorry.
Shoes.
No, it's too light. A hat?
Necklace.
Wait, pizza.
Bracelets.
Oh, I didn't have that.
Oh, mali mo.
Bro, bak, di pa naman ako 16.
100% recycled.
Wala. Your
Oh,
use.
punta sa utak.
I got, there's nothing in here. I got
Ba't and
scammed.
body? Pabango.
Oh.
Ba't and body? Gusto mo ng perfume, di ba?
Wala. No. Yeah, may pabango ka na para hindi ka naamoy ano.
Hindi ka na asin.
Oh. Bubble wrap.
Open, open. Hindi. Open mo muna. Ay, hindi ka na nakikita dito.
Go up here. What is it?
Oh. Bracelet.
What is it?
Open.
Oh!
Let me see. Ano yan? Ano yan? Tingin, tingin.
Yan, sila mo.
Thank you. Love you.
Oh, happy birthday. Oh my God.
Sabi mo na ata.
How do you see? Nice. Sila
I
that?
don't have to use my old one.
Can I see?
Hey, mami yan. Akin yung itin.